Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second Sudoku of today's newspaper on Monday, May the 11th, 2020. This one is a Sudoku with 2 stars. So let's get started. Alright, I see here 5 in this column, a 5 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. Only 1 place for the 5 should be there. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. I see here 5, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. There are 5, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be this one. 5 in this row, 5 in the third row, so in the row between. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there. Here also a 5, no 5 there. 1 place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. And now the 9 in this row, the 9 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9. Let's see. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be this one. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 8. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these 3 boxes. There an 8. No 8 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be this one. Then I cannot continue with the 8. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? The missing numbers are the 2, the 4, and the 8. We see here 2 and 8, so no 2 and 8 in this box. 1 digit left for the 4. Here we have the 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Yes. How about the 7? 7. Yes. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 7. We see here 7. No 7 in these 2 boxes. There 7. No 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here or could be there in the third row. We have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes. In the first row, we have a 7 over there. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. But I see here 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 7. Let me see which number I can use. How about these 2 numbers? The missing numbers here are the 4 and the 3, 4 and a 3. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle, in the row above. So in the first row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so in the column and next, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the 9 are missing here. 6 and the 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left here in this big square for the numbers 1 and the 8. 1 and the 8, I marked them. How about these 2 numbers in the first row for the numbers 1 and the 6 are missing. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. These 2 numbers in this row for the numbers 2 and 7 still cannot fill this yet. A lot of pairs. How about this row? The missing numbers here are the 1, the 4 and the 6. 1, 4 and 6. Here I cannot fill the 1, so the 1 should be here or there. The 4, the 6 I cannot fill this here, and the 4 I cannot fill here because we have 6 and a 4. So this should be the 1. 1 digit left, the 1. Here we have the 6 and the 4, 6 and the 4. That means 1, 1 in the middle row. The only 2 places for the 1, here and there. I marked them because I think there are a lot of pairs. 6, 4 and 2 are missing. Yes, the 2, 2, 2. So we have a 2 here. In the middle column, this cannot be a 2, so this should be a 2. The other number should be an 8. We have an 8 here, so this cannot be any more an 8. This should be an 8, and this should be a 1. And then, how about... Yeah, 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in the first column for the numbers 4 and 9. In this first column, we see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 9. How about the number? 1, 4. And yes, the 2 in this row, the 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. And I see here I have marked those 2 boxes with the 1. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be a 1. The other 3 numbers are the numbers 8, 9, and 6. We see here 9, so no 9 in these two boxes. 9 should be here, one box left. The 6 and the 7, no, the 6 and the 8 are missing. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 boxes left. The 2 and the 6. But if I look to this box, we have a 6 here. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We have a 6 here, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here or could be there. So in this column, we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes. So this cannot be a 6. This should be a 1. This should be a 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column in one of those 2 boxes. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. How about 2, 6. The one number left in the second column for the number 8. 8, yes. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. I cannot fill this yet. 3 and 7. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places for a 4 should be here or there, but I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 1 missing number in this column for the number 4. 2 missing numbers here for the number 6 and 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers here in this row for the numbers 2 and 6. 2 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 7. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 3. We have a... Oh, no. I made a mistake. This is not the 7. We have a 7 here. The 2 and the 3 are missing. The 2 and the 3. This should be a 3 mistake, but I have double checked. 3, that means in the last column a 3. 1 box left. Here should be the 7. 2 boxes left, 3 and a 7. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Almost make a mistake, but we have finished this in 13 minutes. All right, for a Sudoku with 2 stars. Very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. Download the PDF file if you like. If you want to solve it or make it by yourself. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in a minute with the third Sudoku in this additional Sudoku with 3 stars. Thank you, and bye bye for now.